Tired of drowning in endless tasks and wishing there was a magic button for your work? Let's create a Zapier account and unlock a world of automation. First, open your web browser and go to Zapier.com. You'll land on their homepage, which is usually pretty clear and easy to navigate. Look for a button that says sign up free or something similar. Click on it to begin the account creation process. Now you'll see the sign up form. You can either manually enter your email address, first name, last name, and create a secure password. Or you can use your Google or Facebook account for a faster sign up. I will sign up using an email address. Go ahead and fill out the required information. Make sure you use a valid email address as you'll need to verify it later. Choose a strong password for security, combining upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've filled out the form, click the Get Started Free button. Zapier might ask you a few questions about your role and the apps you use to personalize your experience. Just answer them honestly, or you can skip if you don't want to answer. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Zapier account. You're now on the Zapier Dashboard, where you can start exploring pre-made automations called Zaps, or create your own to connect to your favorite apps. Now go forth and automate.